Hi guys, so let's just understand the basic concept of non-primitive data type in Java, right? So what is non-primitive data type? It's different from primitive data type, but it is a bit complex than primitive data types also. Okay, so rather than like holding out the value, non-primitive data types here deals with the addresses, right? So if you would see here that these are also called as reference types, okay? So they are not built-in or basic like primitive, as I already told you, right? They are a bit complex and they store the reference, okay, which is nothing but the address, right, to the memory location rather than the actual data. So if I'll just explain in simple words, so primitive holds the actual values and non-primitive holds out the addresses of the object in the memory, right? So we have few of the examples of non-primitive data types, right, like string, arrays, classes, interfaces, right? So for classes and objects, I have already created a video, you can just refer it out. Arrays and strings, I'll be explaining you currently, like how can we just print arrays and string, right? How can we use them? Interfaces concept will explain you later on, right? So let's just quickly move towards our Visual Studio Code. I have a basic program here. Let's say I'm creating out a string kind of variable, okay, which would be a name variable. We are creating out here a string variable which is storing some of the data. Let's say I'm creating out here a integer variable array, okay, a double r, which is holding few elements, let's say 1 2 3. Now I just want to print out this element, okay, so I'll just simply call my system.out statement, right, and I'll just call my name. So one of the method for printing out array is nothing but we can just use out one of the method, as I'll show you here, that we can just print out here, just see here. So one of the methods for printing out an array directly is this. You can use out this method. Two methods we do have. One of the methods I'm using here. I'll just print out this quickly. And regarding array, we will be like working out on array in the next topic in detail, right? So this is how non-primitive data types we can use out kind of string, array, interfaces and all, right? So I hope you understood. Thank you so much.